Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Orange Cove, local and long-distance movers near me. We make certain your long-distance move happens on schedule, free from stress. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to more than 1,500 miles. By using the right moving services to help you, any type of move, big or small, becomes so much easier. Hiring us means you get access to all the common long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to reconcile the cost of getting a California moving company. A closer look at the benefits you receive from a local moving company may help you recognize why it's a practical decision. Any trustworthy moving company definitely will help you save time on your local move. You will also get to avoid the heavy lifting, which means no risk of injury. Our expert movers offer efficiency with each and every move. Using a local moving company like 3 Movers, you receive a streamlined move. We can easily complete even the largest moves in just a couple of hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Orange Cove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.